Stupid man. I'm a file starter. Twisted file starter. How does your Alexa understand Yorkshire? It's crazy. They're so clever, these little things. So what I will give this a little mix while it's there. We'll turn the heat down. Now what we'll do is we will cut while these are sauteing away. I'll get this. Custom bunches. Right, I'm banging on a bit. Let me sort these onions. These onions are nearly ready. I'll show you this. Let me get back. Let me just cut this. Yeah, we're going to let's not get rid of this in the bin. Wash the knife. Put this up there. Wash my hands. There, look, you see the onions change colors? Change colors? Change color. I think I've missed everybody's comments, so I do apologize. Looking good. So here, usually if I'm making chicken or lamb or something, just before this goes a little bit browner, I would add the ginger garlic. But at this stage, I'm not. I'm going to just add the tomatoes in here. These are looking good now. I'm happy with the onions. So I'm going to add the tomato. And I'm going to... It's gonna be the day that they're gonna throw back to you. Hey, hey! Now we are talking baskets. Proper music, proper food. Everybody feels the way I do about you now. Everybody on the street. Authentic Punjabi cooking lover, thank you. Somebody recognizes Punjabi style. It's Punjabi style. It's the way we fucking roll, isn't it? Some ginger garlic. I'm blinded. There are many things that I'd like to say to you. But baby, where's my masala dabba? Lekke aa jao, jaldi lekke aa. Right. Because it's kidneys, I like a bit of salt. Depends on the lamb's diet. Maybe he was a heavy drinker, I don't know, but I'm still going to put some extra salt in. Okay. So the salt's going in. We're going in with some turmeric, we're going in with some chili powder. We're going in with some little bit cumin powder, a little bit coriander powder, but the garam masala I'm going to put at the end. Okay? I'm going to put near at the end where the kidneys are cooked. Oh my goodness! Go on. Go on. Go on. He's not fucking stupid. He knows I've not cooked it yet. Okay, let's go in with the Lebanese. Turn the heat up. So, some water should come out of these kidneys. If it does, I'm going to let it seal. Now what I'm going to do is once it's sealed, I'm going to cover it and let it steam around, simmer down in its own little steam. Water will then come out, but don't cover it till it's sealed. So when it's sealed, you know it's changed color. Can you see instantly it has changed color? And yet you've got some brown pieces there. When they've all changed color, you more or less let it cover. And then I will turn the heat down. As you can see, I'm continually moving it around. This This is what we do in India. Oh, it smells absolutely wonderful. Very, very fresh. Fresh kidneys. Fresh, very fresh. You can tell. You can actually tell. Very, very fresh. Very nice. I like it. I fucking like it. Here, I put him in. Now he's coming to this. He's saying, oh, where's my bloody kidney? Dog can smell. Dog has superior sense of smell. Even in the old man, he knows. Okay, turn this down. Cover them. Some water will come out. I may actually going to stop this now. Let's stop there. Boxing and a little bit of weights. That should be fine with me. This is okay. Looking good. So these are so fresh. I want these to be dry. I'm going to add a little bit of water to this because I just want to. I want to cook this off a little bit more. We're going to put some Garam Masala. Something new. And then I'm going to put a little bit of coriander powder. Away. Stand by me. You leave the lid off now. Let that finish off for a bit. Away. Can you post this on? We can make it. I'm filming. Can you see? I'm filming it, but unfortunately I'm not filming any choppy. I'm just filming in here. So I will try to edit it later. Takes a little bit longer. When I do it on this, it takes me longer because I have to edit it on the laptop. Let me just put this here, 1 second. Nobody else gonna be. I'm going to switch that off. Put some extra coriander, especially for the people who don't like cilantro. I only like cilantro. So let's have a chat now. Let's have a chat.